Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Greerco inline colloid mill. Very popular, been around in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and food industries for many years. This is the 250 series, is the vertical design. It does come horizontal. We've added a new variable speed controller, as you can see here. It's a Greeco. It's push button controls. You can control your speed here. 60 hertz, of course. What you're seeing is maximum speed right now. Got some fluid in it so we can test the seal at the same time. It's set on recirculating right now. If some of you are familiar with these, we reset the stops underneath here. You can see the threaded rod there. There's a bolt on each side. Allows you to remove the guard, and you can set the position of your lowest point. So we're at about 3 thousandths or to 5 thousandths of an inch clearance right now. It is an explosion-proof drive, however the controller is not. We have lots of colloid mills and other process equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing you. Thanks for joining us in this video today.